Hey everybody, Todd Toven here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're all familiar with the Big Mac. It's a classic American hamburger. But today I'm going to show you how to make the better Mac. I have my griddle blazing on high heat. We're going to start with olive oil and 2 1/4-pound 80/20 meatballs. You're going to use the Blackstone press and sear burger tool to smash them nice and thin. Then we're going to season those with kosher salt and black pepper. Meanwhile, we're going to caramelize some yellow onion, get those things nice and colored, give those patties a flip. Just look at that crust, look at that caramelization. Gonna put a slice of American cheese on each patty. Gonna pick up those caramelized onions, put them on one of the patties. Now I'm gonna toast up that sesame seed bun. Let me show you how to make my special sauce. It's real simple. Dill, pickle, relish with Thousand Island dressing. Use your own proportions. Give it a stir. Let's plate it up. Start with the heel and some of my special sauce. We're gonna add a bed of ice cold shredded lettuce, my first patty, then the second heel, a little more special sauce, and the final patty along with those caramelized onions, and we're gonna top that off with a perfectly toasted sesame seed crown. Oh my goodness, take a look at that. Let's give it a try. I call it the Better Mac. It is the ultimate American hamburger, and it did it all on my Blackstone Griddle. If you want this recipe and more, just visit us at blackstoneproducts.com.